Hello mga kapitbahay, tara samahan niyo ako because we'll be going to Landers. By the way guys, the lashes that I'm wearing are from TikTok shop lang. Ang lakas kasi niya makalaki ng mata and alam mo yun, feeling mo lagi kang awake. At this point, gutom na talaga ako and gusto ko muna sanang kumain. Pero I'm really not feeling yung food nila dito. Mag-grocery sana muna kami pero hindi na talaga kaya, and you know naman pag nag-grocery ka kailangan busog ka kasi pag hindi nako dami mo naman makukuha. Parang ang haba din ng pila sa grocery kaya we decided na sabi ko nga sa SNR na lang kami pumunta for dinner and grocery na rin. Yan sulitin no because my membership will end at June 6 kaya ito na natin to. Pwede naman tayo magpa-member ulit anytime. And also, syempre may mga perks din kasi yung SNR card. Like yung discount nga sa Uni Oil when you have your membership card. And nag-order na nga palit kami ng aming food. So, we have yung Salisbury steak, 2-piece chicken, tapos yung parang nasa ano ba to, savory na french fries. Basta yung isa, yung parang nasa bread siya na mahaba. Ayan, whatever you call it. Oh my God, whatever na lang patunguhan itong voiceover na to. But yeah, I had to claim Zai's drink. Medyo matamis yung dark chocolate na yan, guys. And for reference, guys, napansin ko yung mga milk dito, like yung mga ganyan, Arla, Cowhead, they are a little bit cheaper compared sa SM or kaya Walter Mart. I don't know Observe ko lang. Kaya if you are opting for like bulk buying, I would really recommend talaga dito sa SNR. And exciting part talaga is ito sa mga meat. Kaya lang, I really can't buy a lot kasi yung space. And dito, we have tried yung dairy-free. And actually, natikman ko na siya by this time. Nang ginagawa ko tong voice-over na to. And of course, Zaira loves mango juice. Pero medyo matamis to guys. That's why we add a little water whenever we drink it. And of course, dito sa mga pastry section, lagi tayong merong mapupulot. But we really limit it to one kasi yun nga, may expire kapag hindi mo na-consume agad. For this purchase, I'll be using the complete cashback and also the Z card. You will not be seeing me talaga na sobrang daming mamili because we are only topping up our groceries. We go here once a week if kaya. Since malapit lang naman siya and it's a free parking naman if you spend a minimum of 500 pesos. Actually, I've learned my lessons the hard way na talagang lagi ako nasisiraan ng mga food, namumoldan, ganyan. Kaya mas effective talaga sa akin that I only top up my groceries. And actually, yung ganyang karami is ang tagal namin yan makonsume. Also, may singit ko lang, I'm always using the complete cashback from Security Bank because it gives you 5% cashback for groceries. And for another amount, I opt to use the MasterCard because yung iba talaga ginagamit ko, like gumagamit ako ng mga multiple cards para magamit sila for the purpose of, usage. But nag-fail kasi yung Z, so I had to use my HSBC Red. And then, ito na ngayon nangyari. After namin makabili, makapagbayad and all, nasa parking lot na kami. And, na-realize ko na nagbawas sa Z yung groceries amounting to 500 pesos. And, syempre, doblado na yon because I already paid using the HSBC and the Security Bank. Tapos, ayan, inayos. And it was a smooth transaction. Okay, bye!